Diguisit Beach, natural swimming pool from river water next to Pacific Ocean. What's up everybody, we are going to Digisit! Yeah! Started our drive from Aurora and this time I'm the driver. Filled gas and the journey begins. It took us 20 minutes to reach to the destination. And when you hit the road, it's just incredible to look around the scenic beauty, lush greenery and clean roads. I just love to ride and drive here. When I saw the ocean, all it comes to my mind is nothing because I feel so relaxed. Look at this amazing beach, man. What's up, Wesley? Yeah. So there's a small swimming pool on the side of this ocean. If there is a high tide, if you cannot go into the water, there is a swimming pool. It just cost us 30 pesos per person. 30 pesos, how much in dollars? It's like 50 cents. 2 dirhams. Speciality of this beach is it's right next to a swimming pool, and the water that comes to this pool is directly from the waterfall from the mountain. Alright, so time to go in the water, but before that I will remove my t-shirt. Coming right from top of that mountain into this, which is right next to the Pacific Ocean. It's a swimming pool. They made it for the kids so that it's easy for the family to play out here. Baler, Philippines. It is just incredible. Everything around here, and it's literally very, very cheap to enjoy along with your family. So we are going on the back side. Yeah. Pacific Ocean side. This kind of rocks can be sometimes very slippery, so you have to be extra careful of what you're wearing and how you're walking. Yeah, so many fish here. Yeah. Wow, I'm also inside the Pacific Ocean, and yeah, there are a lot of seas. I mean, a lot of fishes in this. If you are visiting Philippines and want to enjoy the countryside, then do visit this place. You will fall in love. Maria, Aurora.